I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Sunscreen is an essential part of skincare when you have to head out in the sun. I'm using my current favorite sunscreen spray by Vichy, which has SPF 50 and PA++ protection. I'm spraying it on my already moisturized face and then I'm tapping it into my skin before moving on to my face makeup. Always remember to put sunscreen even if your foundation or any makeup product claims to have SPF. Next step is to prime your face, and for that I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'm applying this all over my face but concentrating more onto my T-zone. Primer helps to keep your makeup fresh for longer time, which is essential for a summer makeup look. For my foundation, I'm going to use a water-based foundation by Innisfree. You can use other brands too, but make sure to use a lightweight foundation that won't clog your pores or make your skin feel heavy and suffocated. I'm taking very little amount of this and warming it up using my fingers and then blending it into my skin nicely for a sheer to medium coverage. I don't like putting too much layers during summers because heat, humidity and sweat can make heavy layers of makeup look patchy, cakey and weird in sunlight. So best option is to keep the layers to a minimum and let your skin breathe. I also like to buff my foundation using a brush later on for a well blended skin-like finish. For my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. Now do not apply a heavy layer of concealer during hot weather because that may end up looking cakey after a few hours. Instead, take it out onto the back of your hand and dab your fingers on it and gently apply this under your eyes and blend it using your fingers. And if you don't have this concealer, you can use any concealer that you have using the same technique. If you're not happy with the coverage, then apply another thin layer using the same technique, but do not apply a thick layer at once. Instead, work in thin layers for more coverage. I hope I made sense there. I'm blending it again using a brush for even better creaseless finish. Let me come near the camera and show you how natural this looks. I'm also applying very little quantity of the same concealer onto the high points of my face like my chin, bridge of my nose and forehead to lightly highlight those areas. I'm also lightly concealing any scar or blemish that I have. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use a contour liquid as my eyeshadow. Reason why I'm using it is because they are really lightweight and are long lasting. Taking small dot onto the back of my hand and gently dabbing it onto my lids using my fingers and blending it upwards and outwards. Let me show you up close. This will give a really nice dimension and bronzy tint to the eyelids because this look is all about the fresh vibes. So not gonna go heavy on my makeup today. Then I'm using a small brush and gently sweeping the same contour liquid onto my lower lash line. And then to add a little bit of oomph factor, I'm going to add this bronzy shade by Sugar Cosmetics Vogue palette on top. Before topping, I'm going to remove any excess product on my fingertip and gently tap it onto the center part of my lid. This is a really minimal glam eye makeup look that you can wear at your workplace. This looks absolutely beautiful in real life. I mean with human eye, not with a camera lens. And then to make my eyes look bright and awake, I'm going to add the champagne shimmery shade onto the inner corner of my eyes to brighten it up. I'm going to brush my brows first using a spoolie brush and then fill them lightly using a dark brown brow powder by NewU, my old favorite. Not using pomade today because I want to keep the look fresh, young, and pomade may give extra definition and heaviness to the brows, which wouldn't go with the theme of today's makeup look. To set my brows, I'm going to use a clear mascara, though it's no more clear. But this clear mascara is by Wet n Wild and it really does help me to keep my brow hair in place. You should definitely try this out, or you can try any other brand. For my blush, I'm going to use my favorite blush Life's a Cherry by Essence, swirling my brush into it and then removing excess product at the back of my hand because this blush is pigmented and I don't want to look like a blushing apple. I'm applying it onto my cheeks and blending it outwards. Not going to contour my face today because that will add another layer to the face, and less is more when you are out in a hot sunny day. For my highlight, I'm going to use this highlighting lotion by Color Bar. This is a lightweight highlighter which gives a subtle glow from within, kind of a pinkish glow, which looks really natural. There's no glitter chunks in this lotion, which is why I love using this during daylight. Curling my lashes first using Vega eyelash curler, and then I'm applying a waterproof mascara. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Make sure to use a long lasting waterproof mascara in hot weather so that you don't smudge it around your eyes due to sweat and humidity. Also make sure to apply it onto your lower lashes because that really opens up your eyes. For my lips, I'm going to use this lip pencil by LA Girls in the shade Spice. It's a lightweight lip shade that is perfect for summer and for the workplace. It doesn't transfer much and looks and feel light on the lips. Apply a coat and then remove the top layer using a wipe. Then apply another coat. This will make your lip color long lasting and save you some touch-ups. But the only downside is that this lip color can make your lips a little dry, so make sure to apply a good lip balm or moisturizer before you apply this. So this is the finished look. I love a fresh and light makeup on myself in summers, and the key is to make your skin breathe and look natural. I enjoyed filming this video for you all and sharing my light and natural go-to look for summer. I hope you are enjoying your sunny day and also enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button to show some love, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos and to stay connected with me. I will see you soon. Bye, take care and stay hydrated.